Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here. Welcome to day 10. Woof, you have made it through indoctrination. Fantastic. So let's talk about today. We're on our last day of tools and setup here. So outsourcing, a tool, actually what it is a secret weapon in my opinion. And I'm going to explain why. Now, my secret weapon that I use as far as outsourcing is Fiverr. Fiverr.com. There is supposed to be two R's. That's not a typo. And the reason why it's good is that it saves me time. And what's important is that like money I can recoup, time I cannot recuperate. Right? Makes sense? So what that means is I'm pretty good with Photoshop. I can get my way around there. If I find a video of somebody explaining how to do something in Photoshop, no problem. That'll take me through it. I can do whatever I need to do. But like if I needed some banners done, some type of creative work done, I've learned this before, and that it's better, far, far better for me to go and just outsource that, go over to Fiverr, pay, whatever, 20 bucks, 40 bucks, 60 bucks, whatever. If I need a bunch of banners, images, that type of thing done, pay, and then I have all that time to myself that I would have spent slogging away trying to figure this out, trying to get it done on Photoshop myself, and it probably wouldn't look nearly as good as someone who's done it a lot of times. So that's why I say it's a secret weapon, because it gives you back a lot of the time that you would not so much waste. It's just not an ideal way for me or you to spend your time on certain things, right? There's going to be certain stuff like that that you could do, but really once you see the big picture and realize it's better for you to spend your time working on other aspects of your business, that outsourcing is the way to go. So places to outsource, like I say, for me, I use Fiverr a lot. I would say start with Fiverr. If you can't find someone to do it on Fiverr, then you can look at other sources like Craigslist, classified ads you can check out. Upwork is a good one if you're looking for outsourcers, people to do work for you, or you can just Google outsourcing site. I did that, and it came up with a page full of different top sites, top outsourcing sites for 2018. So you can search around and definitely shop around and find the best option for you. But always, for me, I say start with Fiverr, because chances are you'll find somebody on there to find your thing. So if you need any kind of creative work done, that is how to do it. Outsource it, get somebody else to do it, save the time for yourself here. So your homework for today is to go over and check out Fiverr. Check out all the cool stuff that you can get on there for $5. If you want somebody to design your website or teach you about WordPress or anything on there, it's a great site. Go ahead and check it out. And that is your homework for today. And I will see you in the next section tomorrow. We start the next section, and I will see you in that video.